Alright, picture this, you're scrolling through your phone, bombarded with ads promising instant riches. Invest here, trade there, get rich quick. It's overwhelming, right? But what if you just wanted a simple, automated way to grow your money? Maybe you've heard of Stashaway. It's got that clean, modern look, promises diversified portfolios, and, well, it's supposed to make investing easy. But the real question is, does it actually work? Do people actually make money with Stashaway? That's what we're diving into today. Forget the hype, forget the flashy graphics. Let's get down to the brass tacks. Can you realistically build wealth using this robo-advisor? First, let's understand what Stashaway is. It's a digital wealth management platform that uses algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios. You tell it your risk tolerance and financial goals, and it does the rest. It invests your money in a diversified mix of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, aiming to optimize returns while minimizing risk. Now, the million-dollar question, does it pay off? The answer, as with most investments, is nuanced. There's no guaranteed path to riches. Stashaway, like any investment platform, is subject to market fluctuations. When markets are up, you're likely to see positive returns. When they're down, well, you know the drill. But here's the key, Stashaway's strength lies in its long-term strategy. It's designed for consistent, steady growth, not overnight gains. Their algorithms rebalance your portfolio, adjusting to market changes. This means they aim to buy low and sell high, a principle that's fundamental to successful investing. Real people, real results, you'll find countless testimonials and reviews online. Some users report significant gains, particularly over longer periods. Others might express frustration with short-term dips. It's important to remember that these are individual experiences, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Here's the takeaway. Stashaway can be a valuable tool for building wealth, especially for those new to investing or who prefer a hands-off approach. It eliminates the need for constant monitoring and decision-making. However, it's not a magic bullet. You need realistic expectations. Understand that investing involves risk, and there will be ups and downs. Do your research. Don't just take my word for it. Explore Stashaway's performance data, read user reviews, and compare it to other investment options. Consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a long-term, diversified investment strategy, Stashaway might be worth exploring. Ultimately, whether you make money with Stashaway depends on a multitude of factors, including market conditions, your investment time frame, and your individual risk tolerance. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.